look how much they are buying and look how it moves. Look how supply is reactive to this influx of demand. It's extremely strong, and then it stays flat. And even though some supply coming in, there is nothing there. So the whole idea here is just how long is the uptrend going to continue? And it just feels to me like we are exhausting demand. We could see this from the spread. We've mentioned multiple times like these reactions, right? But we're probably in the last phases of this swing that is definitely not having as much demand. So it just feels like we either already there or we're close.